Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about sets. Okay, I hope guys at the end of this, after watching this video, you will be able to describe uh, whether the given sets is well defined or not well defined. Okay. So this is the first activity that you have in your module. Okay, I want you guys to answer this activity after watching this video. Alright, so let's start. In the collections of objects below, which does not belong to the group? Okay, you have observed here, this is actually a group of polygons. Okay, and most of the polygons here are three-sided polygons. So we have only one unique polygon having four sides. So this polygon is not belong to the group. So our answer is this one. This is not belong to the group. Okay. Now, what is sets? The groups are called sets. Okay? Set may be thought as a collection of objects. Example here. So we have a set of mountains. Okay? So this is a collection of mountains. Then a set of books. So this is a collection of books. Then a set of buildings. So this is a collection of buildings. Okay, guys? Now, what is well-defined set? In mathematics, set is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. Okay? The objects contained in the set are called elements. So those objects, guys, that made up as a group is what we call elements. Okay. A set can be named using capital letters like A, B, C, D, and so on, Z. So the three dots here, guys, is being read as so on. Then, meaning to say that there are still letters in between D and Z. Okay? And we use braces, curly braces, to group the elements of set, separated by commas. Okay, guys? So, always enclose the collection of objects by curly braces and make it sure also that each element or each object in a group must be separated by commas. Alright. If a set contains many elements, we often use three dots. Okay? And these three dots called ellipses. Okay, guys. The purpose of the ellipses is to make the elements short, especially if you are dealing with a large number of elements. Okay, guys, take note of that. Again, the purpose of the ellipses is to make the elements short, especially if you are dealing with a large number of elements. Okay, so there's a note here. In listing the elements of the set, each distinct element is listed once, and the order of the element does not matter. Okay, guys? Meaning, the arrangement of your elements being listed is not necessary. What is important is as long as you're able to listed it down, that is correct. Alright? Now, example of well-defined sets. The set of primary colors. So as we all know, there are three primary colors. We have the red, yellow, and blue. Okay? So we'll label this set as letter M. So the name of this group or set can be called as set M. And this is being read as set M contains the element red, yellow, blue. Okay? Now see this. Each element separated by commas, then enclosed by a curly braces. Okay, so this element, this set, guys, rather, is what we call finite set because we have the exact number of elements. Okay, so number two, the set of all even numbers. So these are the set of even numbers started from 2. Okay, if you have noticed, guys, we have the ellipses here, meaning there are still even numbers going on in this direction, no, endlessly. Okay, the even numbers are continuous, so we can call this set as infinite. So when we say infinite, the elements are continuous. Okay, so this is the name of this set is set E. All right, so number 3, the set of all multiples of 5. Okay, so the name of this set is set 5. So multiples of 5 started from 5, of course. So you observe also here that we have the ellipses. So meaning to say, the elements are continuous. So this is infinite, right? So number 4, the set of letter in the word arrange. All right. Take note, guys. We have here two R's. So if you could still remember just a while ago, that in writing as a set, we only write the distinct element one at a time. So meaning to say, we only write or we only list one R here in our set. All right. So we have here A also. We have here two A's. So we only write A one at a time. Okay. So this is finite set because we have the exact number of elements. Okay. Okay, example of not well-defined sets. The set of famous dancers. The set of punctual students in your class. The set of honest people. Okay. Note, the sets given above are not well-defined, since people will have different point of views on famous dancers, punctual students, and honest people. Okay, but I'm going to ask you guys, can you come up with the exact number of people that can be called as famous dancers? I guess not. So this is not well defined. Also with punctual students in your class, this is not well defined. Then set of honest people. So we cannot come up with the exact number of person or people. So this is not well defined. Okay. So, I hope guys you learned something, and please do answer the activity provided in the module, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to get updated with the latest video.